So, we're headed to the lot. Look what I could fit in the back seat of my car. Barely. Alright, we made it to the lot. I berthed the bike out of my car and put it back together. To get it in the car, I couldn't figure out how to get the fender off, so I just kicked that hoe. Broke that bitch. I had to take the front wheel off to fit in there, and I just loosened the handlebars so I could tilt it. So we're at the lot. I'm out of my element. All these people are better than me. I gotta we got Sir Isaac over here. Let's see what he got. I'm too short, so my foot comes off the ground.
That's same with me. That's so. Well, they told me though, I had to sit way back here.
Really?
I gotta sit way back here.
Hell no. My seat goes up though.
I need to get one of those for these because I'm starting to get to the point where I have it back there. So
yeah, it helps.
I just started learning put downs today.
Really?
Yeah.
Dang. That's what I started with, cause I was like. Well, after I broke my peg, I was like, fuck it.
I just started learning them today. I could wheelie in second gear just fine.
Yeah.
But put downs I can't do.
Really? Yeah. You like it? It feels good. Yeah, I just need to get used to the brake so I could actually go like. Yeah.
You get 12 bar.
I do. I'm broke.
Dang.
Yeah. Alright, boys. I need to get it hot. What the fuckaroonie? That's crazy. The clutch is too high. Oh, there you go. That's so cool. All right, we're just getting some reps in. Not good. Yeah, that was a good one. getting them higher and I'm holding them a little longer now. So my girlfriend say from the outside I'm getting as high as everybody else. It's just when I get there I drop down a little bit and then I can't keep it up anymore. So I just need to stay there. Woo! I about looped that hoe. It don't help that I don't have a fucking peg, bruh. I feel like I'm just like fucking trying to balance while I'm trying to balance a wheelie, bruh. Fuck. Now I can't even get it up. See, I hit, and I just need to stay there. I just need a little tap of the brake. See, and then I let off the throttle because I get scared. A bit farther back. Right there. We're getting it, boys. We're getting it. Yeah! Oh, I'm so there, boys. I'm so there. Woo! Woo! I'm getting good. Guys, I'm fucking getting it. I'm so there. Look at that. A little wobbly, but you know what I mean. I'm there. Right at balance point. That was under balance point the whole time. But I'm right there. I'm getting good. Over here kind of sucks because it's kind of tilted, so I always go to the left. Like that. Honestly though, low-key, I don't know how this is going to transfer to the S1000. Because the S1000 did not feel like this. But maybe after a while. I keep getting wobbly. Ah! Ah! That was sick. Oh my god, boy, we're getting it. I can't believe it. I'm learning how to fucking wheelie properly. Yes. Little choppy, little choppy. That was scary. I think I was behind balance point that time. I let go of the throttle and I wasn't going down. You see that one? I was falling backwards. Like I let go of the throttle and I was still going backwards and I had to tap the brake. Woo! Oh yeah. Woo! 4. I'm chopping again. I need it smooth. Alright, I'll see you, buddy.
Alright then.
Wait, are you taking videos of me?
Yeah, you want some?
Yeah, bro, you're gonna...
Hell yeah! Yeah.
You're good. Go do what you were doing.
We make new friends by filming people. Yeah!